let me show you the installation of the 100% waterproof rain cover. You're simply going to pull it out of the pocket or out of the bag, and we're going to take the reflective logo and face that back towards traffic. With the rain cover pulled over the bag, we're now going to open each of these gussets here on the side. We're going to disconnect our quick release buckle, and we're going to feed our female end through the gusset. We're going to reattach our quick release buckle and cover it with this storm flap. Now the last step of this rain cover is going to be to come to the back of the bag here, pull our elastic drawstring, and secure the barrel clasp. That's going to pull this elastic seam all the way around the bottom nice and tight to make sure you are waterproof as you're riding down the road. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.